They did it. They were able to get 90% of their CPU utilization to drop all the way down to 30%. Postgres database overload, just about out of room on your database? Well, you're not alone. Senior engineers like Dan Slimman have faced this issue and they found a solution. In a recent blog post, Dan said that the struggle came from their database hitting a high CPU utilization. What they tried, of course, is the first thing, just make the database bigger, make the machine with more CPUs, more memory, but that too hit its limits. They were running into overall system bottlenecks. Their architecture needed some changes. This means Dan and his team were out of options. So it came down to two choices, either shard the database or turn everything into microservices. While that would work, that's still a problem because that increases complexity. Dan Slimman reminds us that complexity takes a lot of attention and is better to squeeze the most you can out of your existing system as possible. So instead of doing those fancy advancements, which would work, they add that complexity. They made a choice. They had a third option to squeeze as much as they could out of the existing system. They did it. They were able to get 90% of their CPU utilization to drop all the way down to 30%, which is huge. And all they did was just optimize some of the queries, added read replicas on a read path. So they didn't really change their architecture. They were able to maintain approximate level of complexity in their system by making some of these minor changes. What did you do? Did you run into this issue? You probably did. We did. The next video, we'll be talking about testing in production. Should you do it? Yes, might as well.